How 99% of ancient human population wiped out 900,000 years ago. History for sleep. Intro. 900,000 years ago, the world was a very different place. Humanity was still in its earliest form, living in small scattered groups across Africa, Europe, and Asia. But then, something happened. A great catastrophe, something so powerful, so devastating, that it reduced our ancestors to near extinction. Scientists estimate that 99% of the ancient human population was wiped out, leaving as few as just a few thousand individuals alive. Tonight, let's journey back in time, to explore the mystery of this near-extinction event, what might have caused it, how our ancestors survived, and how this shaped the destiny of humankind. So relax, close your eyes, and drift into history. Chapter 1: The World 900,000 years ago. Imagine the Earth nearly a million years ago. The climate was unstable, ice ages came and went. Vast glaciers covered parts of the north, while Africa's landscapes shifted between lush grasslands and arid deserts. Our ancestors, primitive humans, did not live in cities or villages. They lived in small family groups, moving constantly, hunting animals, gathering plants, and trying to survive day by day. But then came a turning point. Chapter 2: The Population Bottleneck. Modern scientists, using genetic studies, discovered something shocking. Around 900,000 years ago, the human population crashed. Nearly all our ancestors disappeared. Only a tiny group survived. This event is called a population bottleneck. It means that humanity was reduced to such small numbers that our survival was hanging by a thread. Some researchers estimate there may have been fewer than 1,300 breeding individuals left on the entire planet. Think about that. All of us alive today may descend from just a few small groups of survivors. Chapter 3: What caused it? The exact cause remains a mystery, but scientists have theories. 1. Climate change. During this period, Earth entered one of its harshest ice ages. Glaciers expanded, sea levels dropped, rainfall patterns changed, and food became scarce. Our ancestors, who relied on hunting and gathering, may have starved in great numbers. 2. Volcanic eruptions. Massive eruptions could have filled the skies with ash, blocking sunlight, cooling the planet, and killing plants and animals. Some believe volcanic winters may have triggered widespread famine. 3. Disease. With small, close groups of humans, a deadly disease could have swept across populations, leaving only a few resistant survivors. 4. Competition. Other human-like species, such as early Homo erectus, may have competed for the same resources, driving some groups to extinction. It may have been a combination of all these factors, working together to push humanity to the edge. Chapter 4: Life during the near extinction. For the survivors, life was unimaginably harsh. Food was scarce. They would have eaten roots, insects, and whatever they could find. Fire, if they had mastered it, became essential, not just for warmth, but to cook tough foods and protect from predators. They lived in small caves, temporary shelters, or open plains. Tools were primitive: stone hand axes, sharpened rocks, wooden spears. Every day was a struggle for survival. And yet, somehow, they endured. Chapter 5: The Turning Point. After thousands of years of near extinction, the climate began to stabilize. The harsh ice age retreated, grasslands and forests returned, and animals once again filled the landscape. With more food and better conditions, the surviving humans began to slowly grow in number. It is believed that this period of hardship forced humans to evolve, to become smarter, more cooperative, and more resourceful. Those traits would eventually lead to the rise of modern Homo sapiens. Chapter 6: The Legacy in Our DNA. Today, scientists studying human DNA can still see the traces of this ancient disaster. The genetic bottleneck left deep imprints, evidence that almost all humans alive today share common ancestors who lived through that crisis. In a way, we are all children of survival. Our existence is proof that against impossible odds, a few humans endured and passed on life. Chapter 7: Lessons from the Past. The story of humanity's near extinction teaches us something important. We are more fragile than we realize. Nature is powerful and unpredictable. But humans, even at their weakest, have an incredible will to survive. From just a few thousand survivors, we became billions. From simple stone tools, we built civilizations, art, science, and technology. All of it, because long ago, when almost everyone was gone, a few held on. Outro. So tonight, as you drift into sleep, remember this story. The fact that you exist means your ancestors survived one of the greatest challenges in human history. They lived, they endured, and they passed their strength to you. 900,000 years ago, humanity nearly vanished. But we didn't, and that is why we are here today. Check mark if you enjoyed this History for Sleep story. Don't forget to subscribe for more history told in calm, relaxing narrations. Thumbs up, like and share this video with history lovers. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a new bedtime history upload.